Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you the signs to look for that might be telling you it's time to replace your water heater. Let me show you what to look for. All right, there's many warning signs that might be telling you it's time to replace your water heater. Of course, the simplest one is if you see water on the floor. That's usually a telltale sign. If you're noticing that there's any water at the top of the tank, in particular where the cold water line comes in or the hot water line comes out, that can be a sign as well. If you're noticing a snap, crackle, and pop every time the water heater kicks on, that can be a sign that the water heater needs to be replaced. But all of those things, all of those different things I told you to look for, also go in concert with the age of the water heater. The national average of a life of a water heater in the US is about 10 years. Now, I know there are some of you watching this saying, he's crazy, my water heater's 20 years old. All I can tell you is, good for you, you're getting your money's worth. But the average is the average. Take a look at the age of your water heater, and probably the easiest thing to do is look at the serial number. There's a sticker somewhere on the unit, and that serial number actually is the year that the unit was made. The first two numbers typically represent the year that it was made. On this one, it's a 19, meaning that the unit was built in 2019. Well, if it's 10 years past that time, and you're getting all these other signs of your water heater making noises or you see water, then it might be time to replace the water heater. Always keep this in mind. It's cheaper to hire a plumber to come and change the water heater on your own terms rather than in an emergency situation when you need hot water right now. So a little planning can save you some money. And that's it. If you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.